Hello everyone, Dave Verdoon here. Thanks for visiting our website. You have selected one of the topics that we have yet to create our 5-minute intro video for, but if you can't or don't want to wait to learn much more about this topic, we do have available right now live webinars and training on this topic that can be customized to fit your needs. Simply contact us via the Contact tab on the homepage or email us at info@innovationtutorials.com to schedule a call to let us know which topic or topics you're interested in and the level of detail you want. We'd love to hear from you and get you the information you need. And if you can wait, check out our numerous other thought-provoking free intro videos on innovation and inventive thinking that you will find on our homepage, where we have a growing list of topics. Also, I encourage you to watch our Architecting Custom Innovation Training free intro video to get a quick peek at how we design custom training and workshops for our clients worldwide. We have many affordable options, from as short as a 1-hour virtual webinar to a week-long Train the Trainer program, and a whole lot of options in between. Lastly, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us through the Contact tab and schedule a call with me personally to discuss your specific needs. Thanks for visiting, and I hope you enjoy our website as much as I've enjoyed creating it and teaching innovation and inventive thinking for the past 20+ years. Have a great week, and we'll see you on the next video.